Beacon 121, 141, and we got a lot of smoke up here. Investigating, update you here in a couple minutes. 121, 141 on the scene.